jobs, stronger markets, and youth education, and mangrove restoration. And I am Mardel Laracas Molina, 19, Binibining Santa Cruz!
As a nursing student, I believe that the true empowerment begins with informed choices, especially when it comes to family planning. Family planning is not about limiting life. It is about protecting life, health, and dignity. In the communities we serve, I have learned that when parents are given the chance to a proper education and access to family planning, mothers are healthier, children are better cared for, and parents are more prepared for the future. And it helps to prevent high-risk pregnancies, giving the mothers the opportunity to pursue their goals while nurturing strong and stable family. As future nurse and as an advocate, my role is to educate without judgment and to promote responsible parenting grounded with respect, knowledge, and compassion. In advocating family planning, I advocate for healthier families, stronger communities, and a future where every child is wanted, valued, and given the best start in life. Mabuhay! I am Mary Princess Kathleen Ivia, 20, Binibining Gasa! Good evening, Buena Vista! I am Joanna Pilasgas, a degree holder of Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, awaiting Mutiana Magpog 2022, a passionate advocate for IRA, or IRISE, and advocate for Marinduque Province, a youth-led organization. I devote myself to raising awareness and putting my advocacy to children and youth. I truly believe that the desert are being The nation is not measured by its ordinary. It is nurtured by children. Yet, to grow up some, it's a growing to depend. They may seem ordinary, but the exact is extraordinary. Maria Teresa Sevilla, 23, Binibining Buena Vista!
evening, esteemed guests, judges, fellow advocates, families, and friends. Imagine a world where every word we utter builds bridges instead of walls, heals wounds instead of inflicting them, and ignites hope instead of despair. I am Shaina Vicabierta Batayola, a linguist and a passionate advocate for using our words wisely to make our world with a lot of challenges a little better. Tonight, I stand before you to champion my advocacy, using our words correctly, genuinely, and with unwavering intention. Because it is not just a tool, it is a force that shapes our daily lives, our societies, and our shared future. Our language, our words are too powerful, and it is important that we use them accordingly as they pulse through our routines. It helps defines our relationships and it steers our destinies. Say for instance, for politicians, in an era of empty promises and slick soundbites, true integrity blooms only when our politicians choose to speak with words with unvarnished honesty, when they choose to speak with words that align with action, not evasions. For our journalists, the sentinels of truth, to not lose their authenticity by sharing news that inform rather than inflame. To our kababayans battling with the storm of mental health struggles, for them, our words are lifelines. Tools to name the chaos within, to voice pain that festers unspoken, to our leaders on the global stage, to always speak with clarity and empathy that would combat the specter of world war, forging dialogues that disarms rather than divides. To our youth, the children of our country, to always join and participate in discourses that would allow them to share their opinions, viewpoints, and concerns about all the important things in life, because our voice, our words, our language matter. And to all of us, to each of us in every conversation, to always speak with compassion, for when politicians model integrity, journalists preserve authenticity, we empower the suffering, and leaders pursue peace. Our collective words become a symphony of compassion, elevating individuals, healing society, and securing a world of harmony. With this, may we always remember to choose our words deliberately, to speak from our hearts, and watch them as they ripple to change everything. Again, I am Shaina Vicabierta Batayola, 21, Binibining Buwan!
Tonight, we stand together to celebrate the strength, wisdom, and courage of women. And women empowerment means giving them equal opportunities, respecting their voices, and supporting their dreams. When women rise, our communities grow stronger, and our future becomes brighter. So let's continue to advocate for education, leadership, and respect in every woman. And together, we can build a society where equality is not just a dream, but also a reality. I am Andrea Kerubin Gonzalez, 22, your Binibining of our nation. It lives in our stories, in our dances, in our songs, and the tradition that is passed down through generations. And in the world full of change, I believe that culture is at risk of being forgotten. That is why I stand here before you to advocate for culture and arts preservation and conservation that bridge the gap between the community of culture and arts and the government. And to protect our tradition, to support our local artists, and to teach the younger generation to value who they are and where they came from. I believe preserving our culture is preserving our identity. Sining at kulturang manaak, patuloy na mag-aalab. Ako si Rose Andre Elias, 20, Bayan ng Torion! As the proud representative of Marinduque, we are blessed to live in a place of breathtaking beauty and rich in natural resources. Our forests, rivers, and seas give us life and unique identity. But today, our environment is facing numerous challenges. Climate change, pollution, and degradation of natural habitats are some of them. So I stand here today before you with a burning passion to protect our home, our Mother Earth, our ecosystem. It's time we take a stand. Let's work together to work for our environment and also to protect our nation. Because I firmly believe protecting our environment is protecting the life of our future generation. Romalina